Hi, today we're going to make one of these fun paper fortune tellers to help you decide what to read. And all you need is a sheet of paper. If you have a regular 8.5 by 11 sheet, you'll want to make sure it's the perfect square. So 8.5 by 8.5, and you're going to start by folding it in half both ways. And now once you have this big plus, you're going to bring one of the corners in toward the center, not completely touching the very middle. And you're going to do the same for each corner. So all your corners are almost touching the very middle, but not completely. So now you're going to flip the paper over, and you're going to fold these corners to the middle, also not completely touching. You'll want to leave a little bit of space between the tip of the corner and the very middle. So you'll fold each corner in. So now you're going to fold this in half, and then reopen, and then fold it in half the other way. So now you can put your fingers in here, and what you want to do is bring it towards the middle so that it can get the shape of the fortune teller. And now you can label these parts if you want. Ebook, magazine. This is what we did on this one. Ebook, magazine, graphic novel, audiobook. In general, you'll put on these little flaps a word that you'll count the number of letters. For example, if I choose an ebook, that's 5 letters. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you pick another number. Let's say I pick 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you'll pick another number from here. Let's say I pick number 2. And I've already put titles from Overdrive that I could choose to read. And this one has decided that I'll read Inland, which is a fiction book. So out here, you can put any letter you like. I just put titles from Overdrive and Libby. And then inside, you can put numbers. Usually you'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or similar numbers. And then once you open it, you can put titles that you're thinking about reading, audiobooks, magazines that we have available. And then you can visit our Libby, use the Libby app, or visit Overdrive online, and you can read these titles for free.